सुबह के 3 बजे हैं. You're lying on your bed, scrolling through your phone, watching other people live the life you wish you had. Your room's a mess, your bathroom's filthy, you don't remember the last time you felt proud of yourself. कैसे कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये क्या ब्लैक मैजिक है? How am I looking at you and talking directly to you? Simply because I have been there, man. Rock fucking bottom. बेड से उठाया नहीं जाता था अपने आप को पूरे पूरे दिनों. कुछ एक काम नहीं करा जाता था महीनों इन अ स्ट्रेच. कोई दोस्त नहीं थे, कोई पैसे नहीं थे. Not an ounce of self-respect in me. But here's the truth here. Here's the beautiful thing. You are 23 steps away from transforming your life. No bullshit, no false promises, just the exact blueprint that I followed to turn my life around. If you're tired of being tired, अगर बहाने बना बना के थक चुके हो, if you're finally ready to take up responsibility for your life, this is your wake-up call. Let's unfuck your life starting right now. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sehaj और मैं एक life coach हूँ. I offer one-on-one coaching to successful individuals and I help them scale to even greater heights. And I make content to help even those who can't directly afford my services. First link in the description if you want to check out my coaching. But for now, back to the video. Step number 1, clean your fucking self. This can sound basic, but यार अगर even on the most fundamental level अपने आप का ही ख्याल नहीं रख पा रहे, 1 घंटा किसी और चीज का रख पाओगे? Shower daily, brush twice, wear deodorant, trim your nails. Make sure you do these basic fucking things. This isn't even about being good looking या ऐसे दिखते हो वैसे दिखते हो. It's about a much simpler thing. It's about self-respect. It's about when you look in the mirror, when you look at that person, if you see someone who looks clean and fresh and who looks nice, you automatically subconsciously में ये thought आता है कि यार this is someone who's worth taking care of. And you do things for that man, for that person, for yourself. Right? The biggest rut of my life, मैं बताना भी नहीं चाहता. The biggest rut of my life, 2020, I went 2 weeks without showering. उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही था. Roughly 2 हफ्ते मान लेते हैं. 2 fucking weeks went without showering. What happened? I felt like absolute fucking garbage inside and out, man. And I still remember that one evening जब अपने आप को finally ज़बरदस्ती एक shower करवाया, because like I could feel myself stinking from day 3. 2 हफ्ते हो गए थे, उससे ज़्यादा हो गए थे. When I finally took a shower that evening, something clicked. कुछ बात बननी शुरू हुई. That was the first domino that got me moving in the right direction. So, if you've not taken a shower today, if you're ready to turn your life around and if you're ready for this transformation, इसलिए ये वीडियो देख रहे हो ना, and you've not taken a shower today, don't wait till the end of this video. I will wait. ये वीडियो को पॉज करो यहीं पे before we get to step 2. Go take a fucking shower and come back. Step number 2, bring order into your kingdom. सबसे बड़ा हैक जानना चाहते हो मेंटल क्लैरिटी का? Cleaning your fucking room. Dude, your room is an extension of your mind. If your room is a mess, guess how your mind's gonna be? A fucking mess. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about psychology. जब रूम साफ है, जब सब कुछ आसपास organized है, you feel like you have control. तुम्हारे स्ट्रेस लेवल्स कम हो जाते हैं. You feel less or chaotic in your mind. You feel more organized within your mind as well. So deep clean everything. Clean your room, clean your car, clean your workspace. ज़मीन पर जो कपड़े इधर उधर गिरे पड़े हैं उनको उठाओ, अपने ड्रॉर साफ करो, organize your desk, sort everything out. When I decided to turn my life around, एक पूरा दिन निकाला भाई मैंने सिर्फ कमरा साफ करने के लिए. सुबह से लेके दोपहर तक till lunch just cleaned my room. लंच के साथ कुछ यूट्यूब देख लिया 2-3 घंटे and then right back to it. शाम को 8-9 बजे बैठा मैं, looking everywhere around me, feeling so fucking good, feeling like I could conquer the world at this point. That is the power of having a clean room. So bring order into your kingdom. Step 3, digital detox. Your phone is designed to be addictive. With every with every second spent on your phone, with every mindless click, तुम अपने दिमाग को और rewire कर रहे हो to constantly crave instant gratification, which basically makes it impossible for you to be able to focus on anything meaningful. So here's exactly what you do. Number one, turn off all notifications except for calls. कोई इतने urgent message नहीं आ रहे, कोई इतनी emergencies नहीं आ रही. Turn off all notifications except for calls. Number two, delete whatever social medias that you can. Dude, I speak as an Instagram content creator. Delete Instagram if you can. जो भी सोशल मीडिया हटा सकते हो हटा दो, नहीं तो किसी फोल्डर वोल्डर में डाल के डीप कहीं ना कहीं छुपा दो, ताकि एक इंस्टेंट एक्सेस ना हो उसका. Easiest to do from all of these things, just get yourself a dumb phone. Get yourself वो जो नोकिया का डब्बा वाला फोन होता है. Almost every person I've seen succeed and that I speak to today as a client बताता है कि कोई एक phase था, कोई 6 महीने का, कोई साल का, कोई 2 साल का, where that's the phone that they used. I got my screen time down from 13 hours to 2 hours when I decided to turn my life around. And those extra 11 hours, that is where my life was made. That is where I started to move in the right direction and build my life to where it is today. So take control of your phone addiction. Step number 4, move your body every single day. If there was a pill that guaranteed increased energy, improved mood, better focus, better sleep, increased lifespan, एक सेकंड में ले लेते वो pill, right? That pill exists. It's called exercise. बॉडी बिल्डर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट गेट सम मूवमेंट इन योर बॉडी. वॉक पे चले जाओ, आधे घंटे वॉक कर लो, कोई डांस कर लो, पुशअप्स कर लो, वेट्स उठा लो, जो करना चाहो करो, बट मूव योर बॉडी ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. This isn't just for physical strength. It's not कैसा body कैसी बनेगी. Your movement is so that you can teach yourself and you learn yourself कि भाई fuck, I can commit to something and I can make it happen. There's a reason most people's transformation begins with their physical transformation, because उससे इतनी mental toughening और mental strength सीखते हो तुम. When I started to turn things around, 10 minute walk बहुत एक stretch लगती थी, बहुत मुश्किल लगता था. That 10 became 20, 20 became 40, jogging शुरू हो गई, running करने लग गया, weights भारी भारी उठाने लग गया. सब कुछ होता है, सब कुछ करने का मन करना शुरू हो जाता है over time, but start with just getting some movement in on a daily basis. Step number 5, fuel your body properly. You are what you eat. ये सुना है ना? Oh my god, man. Bhai, the extent to which this holds true, you will not understand till you experience it for yourself. 2 हफ्ते के लिए अपने आप पे एक एक कमिटमेंट करके देखो. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट, ये एक मेरी बात मान के देखो. 2 हफ्तों के लिए अपने आप को एक बार क्लीन खिलवाओ. प्रोसेस्ड फूड हटाओ, सिर्फ रियल खाने खाओ. इन 3 चीज़ों में, बिटवीन वेजिटेबल्स, मीट्स एंड फ्रूट्स. साथ में थोड़ी राइस रोटी हो गई, ठीक है, बट जस्ट स्टिक टू दीज 3 फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट. 2 हफ्तों के लिए एक बार ट्राई करके देखो. सी द इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर एनर्जी लेवल्स, ऑन योर मेंटल क्लैरिटी, ऑन योर मोटिवेशन, ऑन योर ड्राइव, ऑन एवरीथिंग. जब जंक खाते हो, जंक भर जाता है अंदर, दिमाग में जंक होता है पूरा हर तरफ. योर वेन्स आर फिल्ड विद जंक. यू फील मिजरेबल, यू फील लेजी, यू फील लेथार्जिक. अगर लेजीनेस की प्रॉब्लम एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, 2 हफ्तों के लिए क्लीन खा के देखो. सी द स्काई रॉकेटिंग ऑफ योर एनर्जी लेवल्स, ऑफ योर मोटिवेशन, ऑफ एवरीथिंग. Try this out for yourself. Step number 6, fix your sleep. अगर मैं बताऊँ ना, genuinely बताऊँ, through all my clients, what's the one most common thing I've made them do that's changed their life? It's been the most fundamental, most basic thing, which has been to start getting them to sleep well. Imagine तुम एग्जाम देने गए हो और 100 मार्क का पेपर है, तुम अटेम्प्ट ही 60 का करके आओ. Are you gonna expect a good grade? Absolutely not भाई. अटेम्प्ट ही 60 का गया हो, आएंगे कोई 40, 45. अटेम्प्ट तो करो 100 का. जब सुबह उठो 100% टैंक, 100% कैपेसिटी पे उठ के तो देखो, फिर देखो कितना कुछ करा जाता है, फिर देखो क्या नहीं करा जाता, देखेंगे सब. और जब उठते ही 60% टैंक पे हो, फिर कहाँ कुछ चांस है कुछ कर पाने का. So start fixing your sleep. In fact, even more than that, start fixing your sleeping time. Wake up time तो चलो फिर भी ठीक है भाई, हो ही जाता है. Wake up time तो उठना पड़ता ही है at a certain time. एक time fix करो so that you can get 9 hours of sleep. Not even 8, 9 hours of sleep. हफ्ते का ये experiment run करके देखो, खुद देखो अपनी energy levels. हफ्ते के लिए set a bed time so that you can get 9 hours of sleep. Make yourself go to bed at that time every single night. Step number 7, define who you want to become. Yeah, this is one of the most important questions in life, and this is something none of us spend any time thinking about. मैं बताऊँ क्या हाउ हाउ यू कैन क्लैरिफाई दिस फॉर योरसेल्फ। एक बार सोचो व्हाट इज़ योर 10 ईयर फ्यूचर सेल्फ गोना बी लाइक? अगर आज 20 साल के हो, व्हाट इज़ 30 ईयर ओल्ड यू गोइंग टू लुक लाइक? कैसा इंसान होने वाला है? व्हाट इज़ हिज़ पर्सनैलिटी गोना बी लाइक? कैरेक्टर कैसा होएगा? कैसा बंदा होगा? व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट दैट, यू विल सी यू जो दिमाग में आती है ना चीज़ें, आंसर जो आते हैं आर सो फकिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हू यू आर टुडे। तो इसको क्लैरिफाई करो, इसको क्लियर करो, इसको डिटेल में एक बार लिखो। जस्ट टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर एंड राइट डाउन इन डिटेल एग्जैक्टली व्हाट डज योर 10 ईयर ओल्डर सेल्फ लुक लाइक। And now, more importantly, write down what habits does he have? What does he do? How does he spend his time? What mindsets does he have? What does he think? Throughout the day, as many times as possible, ask yourself this question: what would he do if he was in my shoes right now? And make yourself do that thing. See the pace, see the speed with which you grow and you transform your life as a result. Step number 8, focus on the inputs, not the outputs. You can't control your outcomes, but you can control what you do. So if you want to lose weight, don't focus on the scale. Don't focus on the number on the scale. Focus on hitting the gym 5 days a week and eating clean. Want to make more money? Don't focus on the money itself. Focus on developing monetizable skills and growing and improving on a daily basis. This helps you go from focusing on the results you're getting, which brings stress and disappointment and anxiety and discomfort, to focusing to just constantly having your focus on becoming the best version of yourself possible, to putting in as much time and as much effort into the thing you're trying to do as possible. I used to focus on the views and the retention and the metrics and the money I was making for the longest time. I was miserable. I was in hell. But for over this last year or so, I've started focusing on simply on making the best quality content possible, and everything else has started to fall into place automatically. Step number 9, build your daily routine. देखो, लाइफ का फंडा सिंपल है. इन एनी गिवन मोमेंट you're going to feel like making the easier choice, but the choice that you need to make is the proper choice, right? In any given moment you don't feel like going to the gym, you feel like sitting there and scrolling through your phone, but पता है कि जो चीज़ करनी चाहिए वो है जिम. So क्या करें इसका? If in the moment you're never going to feel like doing the right thing, simply make sure that you're never making the decision in the moment. हर चीज़ पहले से प्लान करके रखो. जो भी दिन में चीज़ें अच्छी करना चाहते हो, make sure beforehand you've planned exactly at what times you're gonna make yourself do those things. सुबह 9 बजे ये वाली चीज़ करूँगा, दोपहर में 2 बजे ये करूँगा, शाम को 5 बजे ये करूँगा. Plan the times out for all of these things, and then just turn your brain off and follow through with the plan that you had set beforehand. One of the greatest life hacks I can share with you. Step number 10, eliminate one bad habit. Identify and recognize क्या वो एक आदत है that over everything else is ruining and wrecking your life. And then simply अपने आप को ये एक question पूछो, will I let this one habit ruin my life? Will I let this one habit be the reason I don't achieve any of my goals? Will I let this one habit be the reason I'm never able to give my future kids the life I want them to have? मैं अपनी बताऊँ, मेरी बचपन की क्लैश ऑफ क्लैंस वाज़ द बिगेस्ट एडिक्शन ऑफ माय लाइफ भाई। दिन रात बस उस पे लगा रहता था। लिटरली होता था अब ज़िंदगी में पैसे कमाने हैं तो ताकि इसमें जेम्स खरीद के इसको इसमें अपने बेस मैक्स आउट कर पाऊँ। And then one day it was just about asking myself that question, will I let Clash of Clans be the reason I stay broke and poor and miserable in life? And it just hurt me so much. That question hurt me so much I couldn't let myself play it another day. That was the day I uninstalled the app. So अपने आप को ये question पूछो. Step 11, master your mornings. Your morning lays the tone for the entire day. ये लिख के रख लो यार. It's a game changer, the extent to which just having a good morning can impact and influence your day. खुद ट्राई करके देख लो कि किसी दिन जब सुबह उठते ही फोन उठा लिया है, देखो for the rest of the day how much more difficult it is to not keep picking up your phone. और अभी ऑन द ऑपोजिट एंड ये अपने आप को एक चैलेंज डाल दो एंड लिटरली जस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स और सो पहले 2 घंटे के लिए एक गोल डाल दो कि यार बस उठ के 2 घंटे के लिए फ़ोन नहीं देख सकता, फिर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा मन करे देखने दूंगा अपने आप को. यू विल सी योर सेल्फ, अगर पहले 2 घंटे अच्छे निकल गए हैं, कुछ एक्सरसाइज कर लिया या कुछ काम शुरू कर लिया, कुछ ना कुछ मोमेंटम बिल्ड करना शुरू कर दिया है, इट बिकम्स सो मच ईजियर टू स्पेंड द रेस्ट ऑफ योर डे वेल एज वेल. Step 12, develop a high value skill. Nothing is going to improve your life as much as increasing your earning potential. So, develop a skill that is valued highly in the marketplace. Develop a skill that people are willing to pay high and crazy amounts of money for. Pick anything that you like, anything that you have an interest in. It could be coding or sales or content creation, digital marketing, graphic design, whatever your interest is. Pick that one thing and now spend the next 1 to 2 years mastering that skill. एक बार पैसा आना शुरू हो जाए, द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंप्रूवमेंट you get and the impact that that has on your life, nothing can replace that. Nothing can make up for that. Step 13, read for 30 minutes daily. एक lifelong student mindset रखो यार, that the day you stop learning is the day you stop falling behind. The most successful people in the world are constantly learning, constantly growing, constantly feeding their minds with new ideas, new perspectives, new ideologies. दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. तो एक सिंपल सी ये हैबिट, इसको कॉम्प्लिकेट करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि अच्छा नोट्स बनाओ, ये करो, वो करो. 30 मिनट्स अ डे बुक रीड करना शुरू करो. सी द इम्पैक्ट दैट दैट हैज ऑन योर लाइफ. Step 14, track your progress. You can't manage what you don't track, dude. So on a daily basis, on a very consistent basis, track karo how your progress is coming and how you're doing. Twofold benefit. Number one, of course, you get to see how you're actually doing and learn from your mistakes. तुम अलग चीजें try करोगे, अलग routines try करोगे, अलग plans try करोगे. When you track, you're able to see what's actually working and what's not. And number two, it helps you acknowledge your wins. Because बहुत बार होता है कि तुम, let's say तुम्हारा पूरा हफ्ता अच्छा गया, एक दिन खराब हो गया, you start feeling like a loser. But when you look back on this tracking that you've done, you're able to see कि नहीं नहीं भाई, पूरा हफ्ता मैंने अच्छा किया था. I am a champion. I deserve to feel amazing about myself. So एक simple सा एक habit tracker बना लो अपने लिए that just has the 3, 4, 5 main things that you're trying to do. Exercise, work, read for 30 minutes a day, और जो भी एक दो चीज़ें मैं बताने वाला हूँ अगले पॉइंट्स में, just put these points as columns and put the dates down on as the rows, और track करो how often are you being able to do the things. Simple as that. Step 15, embrace discomfort. एक फंडा बताया था ना भाई लाइफ का, सिंपल सा. एक और फंडा ये है that as humans we're wired to always run away from discomfort. कोई भी चीज़ है ना, हम mentally gauge करते हैं कितना मुश्किल होने वाली है, कितनी suffering होने वाली है, कितना discomfort होने वाला है. एंड जब भी लगता है ज़्यादा होएगा, नहीं करते. आज जिम जाना था, देखा बारिश हो गई, यू रियलाइज़ यार बड़ी मेहनत होएगी, अभी अम्ब्रेला अम्ब्रेला लेके जाना पड़ेगा, फिर भी थोड़ा भीग जाऊँगा, नहीं जाते. ये एक मेंटल शिफ्ट लाओ where you not only accept discomfort and challenges and suffering, but you chase it and you run after it and you're like जितनी ज़्यादा मुश्किल चीज़ हो उतना अच्छा, उतना उसके पीछे भागूंगा. Build this psychopathic mindset if you can. See your life transform. Step 16, plan your days the night before. Most लोग सुबह उठते हैं and फिर सोचते हैं यार अब क्या करूं, आज क्या करूं, what would be the best thing for me to do. आधी एनर्जी उस पे वेस्ट हो जाती है, एंड जस्ट द प्रायोरिटाइजिंग, फिगरिंग आउट व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू, कब करूं, कैसे करूं यार, यू वेस्टिंग टू मच ऑफ योर एनर्जी. वो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इज पिछली रात एग्जैक्टली प्लान आउट करके रखा है, क्या क्या करना है अगले दिन, किस किस टाइम पे करना है, कैसे कैसे करना है. डन. सिंपल. इनफैक्ट आई टेल यू द एक्सटेंट टू विच आई टेक इट. पिछली रात मैं अपना वो पेज खोल के रख लेता हूँ, वो डॉक्यूमेंट खोल लेता हूँ जिस चीज़ पे मैंने काम करना है. अगर मैं किस आज इस वाली वीडियो की स्क्रिप्ट पे काम कर रहा था कल, I had woken up yesterday morning with that script open full screen on my computer so that कुछ सोचना ही ना पड़े, वो टैब तक खोलनी ना पड़े. It is open already in front of me. Take it to that extreme extent. Step 17, build your identity around growth. One of the strongest, deepest concepts. क्योंकि एक बार खुद सोचो how much of your time and energy, how much of your mind power goes into just you thinking, अच्छा यार how intelligent am I, how good looking am I, how smart am I. इस पे कितना टाइम चला जाता है. फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ अस गाइस, आई रिमेंबर थ्रू आउट माई चाइल्डहुड, मतलब कोई कोई बंदी ने कभी देख के स्माइल कर दिया, लगता था ओ यार गुड लुकिंग हो. अगली बार किसी लड़की ने इग्नोर कर दिया और नहीं देखा मेरी तरफ, आई वाज लाइक ओ फक मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड लुकिंग. वो यार the level to which that consumed and zapped my brain power, it's embarrassing, it's fucking stupid. तो ये अपनी आइडेंटिटी चेंज करो दैट आई माई आइडेंटिटी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड ग्रोथ। आई अंडरस्टैंड मैं जितनी मेहनत लगाऊंगा उतना सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊंगा, जितना मैं अपनी बॉडी पे और अपनी डाइट और अपनी हेल्दी हैबिट्स पे फोकस करूंगा उतना गुड लुकिंग हो जाऊंगा। जस्ट फोकस ऑन दीज थिंग्स and you automatically get the results like we just talked about inputs over outputs. Similarly, have this growth mindset where you like मैं जिस भी चीज पे मेहनत लगाऊंगा उस पे अच्छा हो जाऊंगा। I will not worry myself and I will not waste my time thinking about how inherently good I am at one thing or the other. Step 18, create systems, not goals. Successful people rely on their systems, not on motivation. अगर तुम बैठ के देख रहे हो यार आज क्या करने का मन कर रहा है ये वो, कभी कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। They say a very beautiful saying is that ओलंपिक्स में जो भी खड़े होते हैं, लेट्स से वो 10 लोग खड़े हुए हैं रेस के लिए, हर बंदे का गोल तो वो सेम ही था कि हर बंदे को गोल्ड चाहिए था। So it's not the goal that differentiated the winners from the losers, but something else. And that something else is the systems कि क्या systems follow किए इनमें से हर बंदे ने, how consistent was their routine, how on top of their routine were there, how well fleshed out and planned out were their systems. So focus on just having a routine, having your systems set from morning to night, then you stick to them as often as consistently as possible. Step 19, surround yourself with growth. Around late 2023, through my online businesses, मेरी take home income around 1 लाख रुपए बननी शुरू हो गई थी. And I got complacent. And I started enjoying myself and taking it easy. PlayStation पे time लगना शुरू हो गया. Instagram download कर लिया phone पे, chill करना शुरू हो गया. I was making more money than most of my friends. Right around that time मेरा I got a few clients, a few new clients जो कोई 25-year-old लोग थे, 25-year-old men making tens of lakh rupees a month. Opened my eyes. It was that कुछ महीने हो गए थे where I was just chilling, coasting, complacent, enjoying myself. Just having those clients that I was talking to, clients who were coming to me for help, but just hearing from them their stories and seeing the levels that they were trying to operate at got me out of my funk. And I never stopped working hard since that day, since seeing those kind of people around me. To surround yourself with people who challenge you and who make you want to do better. Step 20, invest in your mind. Just the way you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with most, just like that, you are the average of the 5 podcasts you consume most, or 5 types of content you consume most, or the 5 content creators you consume most. So be very careful with the kind of people you let into your brain. Be purposeful about that decision. Carefully look at all of these people whom you're consuming and ask yourself, would I be happy becoming more like this person? If the answer is no, distance yourself from that kind of content and start consuming more of the kind of people whom you would want to become like. Step 21, practice gratitude. बड़ी interesting सी ये चीज़ है जो मैंने सीखी थी that Tim Ferriss is one of the biggest entrepreneurs, investors, everything, right? He's one of the OG online business people that we've had. And at this point, he's interviewed most of the most successful people in the world. And he'd written a book, jiski intro mein he wrote this thing where he said that I've interviewed more again so many of these successful people, and usually there you don't see a lot of similarities. Some people work in the morning, some work at night, some do this, some do that, very opposite things, but there are a very few things that almost all of these people do, and one of those things is some or the other form of gratitude. So and simply in one in as short as possible, what you do through a gratitude practice is that you teach your mind to start looking at life and looking at things from a more positive perspective. So make sure on a daily basis you're taking out some 10 odd minutes to practice gratitude, and in fact make it real. Here's exactly how. Don't just, so grab a pen and paper, write down these bullet points of, okay, I'm grateful for dash, I'm grateful for that, for this person, for that person, right? I'm grateful for this friend, for my sister, for that person, Joby. But make it real by making it go, I'm grateful for my sister because dash, because उसने कल मुझे ये चीज़ कही थी, because she did this thing for me that day, because this, because that. Really make yourself force yourself to come up with reasons and come up with things about these people that you can feel grateful for. वो देखो फिर क्या लेवल पे वो प्यार और ग्रेटिट्यूड और पॉजिटिविटी फील होती है. स्टेप 22, बिकम बोरिंगली कंसिस्टेंट. मैं बहुत बार ये क्लाइंट्स के साथ शेयर किया है, वीडियोस भी बनाई है इस पे, दैट द सिंपल फॉर्मूला फॉर सक्सेस इज टू गेट ऑन टू अ गुड रूटीन एंड देन बिकम अ फकिंग रोबोट मैन. कि भूल ही जाओ कुछ भी और एनी वेरिएंस फ्रॉम द रूटीन, डूइंग दिस एंड डूइंग दैट. एग्जैक्ट सेम डे को बार 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 जियो. दैट इज द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज द सीक्रेट टू सक्सेस. That robotic behavior, you being able to do the same thing 6 days in a row of 6 days of the week, that is the secret to success. Same चीज 6 दिन लंच पे एक बार खा के देखो, एक हफ्ते के लिए ट्राई करके देखो. See how difficult that feels and see how empowering that is once you're able to do it. The same for everything. हर दिन सुबह 9 से लेके 11:30 तक काम करना है, तो डू नॉट वेवर ऑन दैट. डू नॉट से कि अच्छा यार इस आज ये फील हो रहा है, आज थोड़ा थका हुआ हूँ, ये है वो है. नो, ऑन अ रोबोटिक लेवल, follow through with the exact routine no matter what. And finally, step 23, trust the process and celebrate the progress. ये ब्यूटीफुल एक टेंजेंट पे जाऊंगा मैं 1 मिनट के लिए. दैट सो माय फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर अ वेरी सिलेक्ट फ्यू पीपल जिनको पता था अबाउट मी बीइंग ऑन दिस जर्नी कि मैं कंटेंट बना रहा था. मैं 2022 के स्टार्ट पे मैंने कंटेंट बनाना शुरू किया था, February 2022. एंड टुडे आफ्टर आई गॉट माय सक्सेस, आई हर्ड दिस सेम थिंग फ्रॉम ऑल दीज पीपल इंडिविजुअली. गुड नंबर ऑफ दीज पीपल एक दूसरे को जानते भी नहीं थे, बट दे ऑल सेड द सेम थिंग टू मी. That what surprise they said, so in first person they said, what surprised me most about your success, Sahaj, was not how much better you got and how good you are at communicating today and near and at influence and in being able to impact people's lives or any of that. What impressed me most about you and your success was your perseverance, was how long you stuck with it without seeing any success. I heard this individually from these friends. उन्होंने बोला कि यार जब मैंने देखा ना 2 महीने से तू बना रहा है कंटेंट, तेरे कोई 15 सब्सक्राइबर है अभी, दे लाइक मुझे लगा अभी गिव अप कर देगा. फिर कहते हैं मैं 6 महीने में देखा तेरे अभी 50 सब्सक्राइबर है, मैंने सोचा गिव अप कर देगा. साल में जाके कोई 200 सब्सक्राइबर हुए हैं, गिव अप कर देगा. 2 साल में गिव अप कर देगा. It was around the 2.5 year mark that for the first time I started to see some success. Today we've scaled our Instagram to close to 100,000 followers, 1 lakh people, प्योरली बिकॉज ऑफ द परसेवरेंस. और मैं तुम्हें एक सेंटेंस में बहुत शॉर्ट में मैं बताऊं हाउ आई हैव बीन एबल टू स्टिक विद इट. प्योरली बिकॉज ऑफ एंजॉइंग द प्रोसेस, प्योरली बिकॉज आई वुड पुट इन माई बेस्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एंड आई वुड मेक माई सेल्फ फील लाइक अ चैंपियन. अगर मुझे कोई देखता उसको लगता मेरे मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, दैट्स द एक्सटेंट एंड दैट्स द लेवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस आई वाज फीलिंग ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. That is the secret, yaar. To the biggest extent, the single biggest secret behind my success has been that. हर दिन अपनी मेहनत लगाता था, हर दिन अपना बेस्ट करता था. वीडियो के 50 व्यू आएंगे एंड में, but I would be feeling like a champion. So trust the process, celebrate the progress. कि अपना बेस्ट करते रहो और फिर enjoy करते रहो और मजे करो और celebrate करो how good you're doing and how hard you're trying. That is how you succeed. That is how you make your wildest dreams a reality. So, as promised, these were the 23 steps to success. Ab, none of this matters. None of this is going to make any difference if you don't take action. So, make sure इम्प्लीमेंट करना शुरू करो. मेक श्योर एक्शन लेना शुरू करो. सारे 23 एट वंस नहीं करने की जरूरत, बट कोई 3 पिक करो, कोई 5 पिक करो, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर लेवल. 3 to 5 पिक करो एंड मेक योर सेल्फ स्टार्ट डूइंग देम स्टार्टिंग टुडे. एंड अगर रात हो चुकी है, काफी लेट देख रहे हो, सुबह 3 बजे देख रहे हो, तो स्टार्टिंग टुमारो व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, मेक श्योर यू इम्प्लीमेंट मैन. नहीं तो ऑल ऑफ दिस जस्ट गोज टू वेस्ट. नहीं तो ऑल ऑफ दिस टाइम, ऑल ऑफ दिस एनर्जी यू गिव टू मी जस्ट गोज टू वेस्ट. So drop me a comment. Tell me which of these you're getting yourself on right away, and then hold yourself to doing these. हफ्ते बाद एक update दो, बताओ a week down the line how's your progress coming? How is it coming with those 3, 4, 5 things that you picked? And then keep increasing the things that you're doing at the same time. That is how you succeed, man. I wish you all the very best. Make your dreams a reality, one day at a time.